Class, Concept, Organic Preparations, Bioplast Software. The list of organic preparations corresponds to organs of the body. For example, the esophagus. Here we have cerebellum. Here we have the thalamus and the brain. This blue and red curve represents the organ with zero entropy. In a perfect state of equilibrium, which is a theoretical representation because it is very difficult to find a person 100% in perfect health. The elements that are in red represent the organs of the body that are in a better balance or with less and less entropy. They are organs of the body that present less entropy, and how we can verify it by performing the Vegetou test, and the organs that are at the end shows that they have more entropy, but not necessarily a pathology, only indicates that the elements that are above are better, therefore organic preparations have the same interpretation as homeopathy. What is in red is better, the same interpretation as phytotherapy, chemotherapy or food, therefore organic preparations, what is better is up. And as you can verify by performing the Vegetou test, and I have already performed the Vegetou test and I am going to show it in the comparative analysis. Here we have the comparative analysis, and we can see, I am going to show the first element, strengthening of the compensatory reactions, decreasing the level of defeat that corresponds to. The most altered, then we see this other one as well, strengthening of the compensatory reactions, and the most altered decreases, which are the black squares, esophagus as well, strengthening of the compensatory reactions and decreasing the level of defeat. But if we look at the last element, larynx, look at the name as it is called, larynx, we click on comparative analysis and we see that there is a decrease in compensatory reactions by 10% and an increase in the level of defeat. So how can they verify it? That these organs are well performing the internal Vegetou test. Therefore, there is the measurement of the patient, and here we see an alteration of entropy in column 5.8 and in column 2.6. So, this is the current state of the patient measurement, and where there is the most alteration is where the red line is up. And what does organic preparations show us? That our goal, for example, in relation to the brain is to achieve after several therapy sessions that the patient's blue and red lines are together, decreasing entropy.